Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Anybody Can Do. Today we will discuss about is outreach only for girls or the boys can also apply, and the second topic is outreach travel stipend. So let's talk about the first topic, is outreach is only for a girls or a boys. So in the previous seasons, if I say 2018 and 2017, the outreach previously is just for girls because girls face so many obstacles in their life in the field of study, job. So that's why this program is designed for girls so that they can earn money in their home while working online on the open source projects. But from 2019 and onwards, the boys can also participate in outreach program. So if you see the outreach past participant alums, there are so many boys who participate in the outreach and get selected. So I think this question would be clear to you all that outreach is for both boys and girls. But yes, in the part of application there are so many questions that are related to girls, like what are the obstacles or what are the barriers the girl face while studying and doing job outside from the home. So the boys should have to answer these type of questions because it's not necessary that only girls face barriers in their life, boys can also. So you have to give answers according to the question, some point to point answers. There is no need to explain all the history of your life, but just the point to point answer. So boys can also participate in the outreach and get selected. So the second topic is, what is outreach travel stipend? So basically we have a benefit in the outreach which is we say the most powerful benefit in all other open source internship. Outreach provides us a travel stipend which is $500. So if we talk about the total stipend including the travel stipend, we will get $6,000. So in travel stipend we get an offer to attend one international conference, or you can also currently the travel stipend is prohibited because of a COVID. But in travel currently the outreach travel stipend is prohibited because of COVID. But in travel stipend we get an offer or we get a chance to attend a open source conference, international conference, which is a greatest experience in our life. Your travel stipend will be $500. Now it's your choice. You have to spend these $500 in one conference or more than one conference, but there is a fixed amount of $500. Now to get this travel stipend, first you have to find any conference, international conference. I will provide this link below, and if you go down you get some of the conferences with the location and conference link and also the deadline and conference date. For example, there is a Linux Conf Australia, there's a LibrePlanet, Ohio Linux Fest, and there are so many conferences you can apply for. Some of them are paid and some of them have free entry. I choose FOSDEM conference, which was held or we can say which was held every year in Belgium in the month of February or end of January. So here you can find the conferences like that, or you can also find from the internet. There are so many conferences held every year, and then after selecting the conference you have to talk with your mentor whether he is comfortable to come in that conference or not, because at the end our mentor have to approve our conference, like my student is willing to attend this conference and request outreach to pay her a travel stipend. But you get $500 after you come after the attending of the conference, and you have to write the daily blogs, what you have did in the conference, what you have learned about it. While booking the tickets, you have to take a copy as a backup, and at the time of getting this stipend you have to send these your tickets or your entry fee slips to the software conservancy. They will make sure, and if you are the right person for the travel stipend, then you will get a $500. So basically for this you have to keep your flight rate as not high, it's a decent rate, and you have to write the daily blogs while explaining everything what you did there and what you have learned, how you spend your international flight days, what was your experiences and all that. And then you have to send a mail to software conservancy to request for a money, and they will pay you in the 10 days or 20 days. So this is all about how to find the conference and how to apply for the travel stipend. So make sure to talk with your mentor before mailing to the Software Freedom Conservancy. So this is what all about the travel stipend. And also the travel stipend is valid only for the next 1 year. If you didn't find any conference, then after 1 year the travel stipend will expire, and you miss a chance to attend an open source or open source conference. So make sure of the time constraints. And this was all about the outreach. In the next video we will talk about a best trick how to get a international internship in this summer. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video and like this video if you like. Stay tuned for the next useful videos to get the benefit. Thank you.